Right, wait,
hold on.
Okay,
Hold on.
Declan.
Alex, hold on.
Come on. Go with brother.
Bro Goose. Let's check it out.
Did Santa come?
Whoa, look
Are there
at.
presents?
Oh, look at Alex, the cookies.
Cookies and milk are all gone.
And look at, what did he write? What did he write?
He doesn't care. We'll read it later. Okay, what does that one say? Which one says ALEX? Hold on, that says Alex and Declan. Here, this one's Declan's. I think that big one over there is ALEX. That's Declan. Oh, wait, okay, that says Alex and Declan. You can open that one.
Oh, good. Nativity scene
Declan.
lasted 7 seconds.
Come here. You can open that one. That one's for both you and brother. Okay, this one. Yeah. Is this for Alex and Declan too? Here, Declan, here. You open this one. Okay, you guys gonna each open one?
What is it? Oh.
It's a game,
How
Alex.
cool. Candyland.
Whoa, you guys both got games.
Hungry
These
Hippo.
will be games you can play with mommy and daddies. That sound like fun? And when you
Wow.
get a little bit older, you can play with each other. Well, we will open it. Let's open the rest of our presents. Don't you think you might have more things, fun things, Declan? Look. Okay, here, this one. Open this one. Yeah, this is for both you and Declan too. That's a really big present, isn't it? You want to help him open it, Declan? This is for both of you guys.
Whoa. Whoa. Something tells me we'll be starting this up before we go to Grandma
Alex? That
Poppy's.
one goes around the tree, and it goes by itself. Cool, huh? Should we set that up as soon as we're done opening all the presents?
Yes.
You each have one more. I think that one's just for Alex. And this one's just for Declan. Here, Declan, here. Oh, you do?
On the front. I'm on the back. I'm on the back.
Whoa.
What's that? What's that, Declan? Who is that? Here, push this. You want him out of there, huh? You can get him out fairly quickly. You want your Mickey Mouse? Hey, Alex, why don't you open your last present? Hey, Declan. No. Here, Declan, come get your Mickey Mouse. Declan, look what your Mickey Mouse does.
This is mine.
That one's just yours.
Just bite his nose.
You like your Mickey Mouse? Here, squeeze his belly. Squeeze his belly. Here, watch. You had to take the tag off, huh? Alright, let's watch brother open his last present. Let's watch brother open his present.
Whoa!
It's a new train play.
It's not just a new train.
It is.
What is it?
It's a Ford's first train.
Whoa!
This is a Ford's first train.
Yes.
Yeah, do you love it? Does Does Santa know you well? We can open it all. Are you so excited? Who do you want to say thank you to? Whose presents did you open all day? Who let you open his presents? And keep them?
I opened it.
Alex, who let you open his birthday presents? Huh? It's not interesting. It's all right. Can you say thank you, Jesus, for letting me have your birthday presents?
Thank you, Jesus, for birthday presents.
And say thank you, Santa, for delivering them?
Santa's just like UPS. What can Santa do for you?
Please open this.
Well, sure. Okay, Declan, here's Mickey. He's like, this is not fun anymore.
Yeah. I need to walk on Brother's box.
Which one? Okay, we'll open this one. Okay. Dad and I will put this together. I just me.
I can't. I can't.
Hi, Bro Goose. Bro Goose.
Wait. Okay, hold on. Are you so excited?
This.
Do you like that? That's a passenger car, he just said. He's right.
Very good, Alex. Now be careful, those have to run on track.
Yeah, you have to be very careful. No, let's not walk on that track. Alright. Well, here's the engine. What kind of engine is it?
I don't know.
You do too. It's a steamy.
Brother Goose. Brother Goose.
Hey, no, give me those tracks, please.
No, no.
I want it. Another one.
Should we make it a circle around the tree?
I want the other one.
What do you? Oh, you want the other one open? Okay. Mom will work on this
I
one.
want this train. I want the other train.
Okay. Well, you know what? This is
Declan.
gonna be the train that goes on these
Declan.
tracks.
Where's Mickey Mouse? Where's Mickey Mouse? Uh-oh. Ready? Declan. Declan. No, no.
Hot dog, hot diggity dog. You're gonna fall. Go get Mickey. Go get Mickey. No. Alright, you.